Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The construction sector is calling for the government to arrange a special stimulus package for their operators. The business owners are not convinced that the $25 billion stimulus package will be enough to keep the construction sector and others afloat.
The construction sector contributes about 8% to Jamaica's economy, but that figure is likely to shrink this year as a result of the impact of COVID-19. Managing Director of ARC Manufacturing, Denal Barnes, is appealing to the government to give the industry a special lifeline before conditions worsen.
Government need to, as a matter of national priority, examine how best can they ensure that the construction industry continue on its path of growth. What perhaps the government need to do, they need to examine clearly sector by sector.
President of the Incorporated Master Builders Association of Jamaica, Lenworth Kelly, says the sector will start to feel the pinch when supply chain issues start to manifest.
There will be some fallout if there's a protracted return to normalcy in our market, and particularly in the source market. And I'm sure like the manufacturers and so on will tell you that they will be seeing some of that.
Mr. Kelly says construction workers have the most to lose since majority of them will fall into the unemployed category if this pandemic continues.
The industry employs from a most vulnerable set in our society. So our construction laborers, larger those people who kind of live, pay to pay, week to week, that kind of thing. And I think there's going to be a significant impact there if the industry goes down, because those people immediately go into unemployment.
Starting April 1, the National Housing Trust, NHT, is to reduce interest rates by 1% for all new mortgages. Existing mortgages will also see reductions in their interest rates by 0.5%. Mr. Barnes says while this will help, it's still not enough to stimulate the construction sector. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline is selling for 50 cents less. Automotive diesel is down by 20 cents and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 10 cents. It's costing 40 cents less for kerosene. The price of propane will decline by 15 cents and butane will go down by 25 cents. The JC Index lost 13,893 points today and the Junior Market Index advanced by 12 points. Among the winners were Siboney Group, 138 Student Living, The Lab, Proven Investments US Dollar Shares, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. On the losing side were Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Indus Pharma, Jamaica Stock Exchange, AMG Packaging and Paper, and NCB Financial Group. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.64. The Canadian dollar is going for $94.43. The pound closed at $162.30, while the euro sold for $150.19. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.